tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to look like a badass like me. Look how badass I look. Don't you wanna look like a badass like this? Alright, I'm done. Hello. Oh, the straw to cup ratio's gotta go. Hold on. Alright, there we go. That looks better. Hello, Sook. What is up, my swole babies? In this little video today, I'm going to be teaching you all how to deadlift, the do's and don'ts. I am a certified exercise physiologist / personal trainer. I've been doing this whole fitness thing for a while now, and I see a lot of people doing deadlifts wrong. So I thought today I could make this little video to show y'all how to do it the right way. How does that sound, kids? Does that look cute? No, definitely not. I do not like that. Oh no. We're just gonna leave it down. Let's get into the video. So if you're a complete beginner to the gym and to deadlifts and you haven't built up the strength to be able to lift 45 pounds, to deadlift 45 pounds, then I wouldn't recommend doing barbell deadlifts to start. I would recommend using lighter weight like dumbbells or something as such. That way you can still perform the movement and everything, but you just get to practicing with lighter weight, building up your strength more. Go ahead and place your feet about shoulder width apart. We're gonna do conventional deadlifts in this video. There's also other deadlifts such as sumo, but we're not gonna cover that today. So make sure your feet are either pointed forward or slightly outward. Never, ever inward. Ever. You wanna start with your shins right up against the bar. Make sure they're not too far away, or else that's gonna compensate your form a little bit if you have to keep rolling the bar back towards you. You wanna start with your shoulder blades right over the barbell. When you first start lifting the bar, think of it as you're pushing the floor away from you with your feet. So really make sure your feet are planted firmly on the ground.
Firmly grasp it.
Once you get the bar up past your knees, that's when you wanna push your hips forward. Just like so. You want to make sure you keep your head forward the whole time. Don't be looking side to side. I would also recommend wearing pants for this, or else you're going to bruise up your shins, and that ain't cute. And when you come up, try to be as explosive as possible. Make sure that you have a nice strong back. Keep your chest up as if you're trying to show off a symbol, like a superwoman symbol. Because you are superwoman, or superman, or super dog, whoever is out there watching right now. Yeah, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. It's gonna feel very awkward at first if you've never done deadlifts before, that's normal. So now, let's talk about the do's and the don'ts. Whatever you do, this is the number one thing. Don't you ever round your back. I swear to God, if I see you rounding your back, it's gonna be the end of your lifting career, buddy. You wanna make sure you have a nice neutral spine, like so. Okay, so here, do you see how I'm shrugging at the top of the deadlift? Don't do that either, unless, once again, you would like to get hurt. You just wanna stop at the top. Keep your shoulders right where they are. Don't be trying to pull up using them traps. Even if you're a trap queen, I don't care. Do not do this. The next mistake I see a lot, pushing your hips way too far forward to the point where you're hyperextending can really also open you up to injury. At the top, when you come up, all you want to do is contract the glutes. Another thing I see a lot is people bringing their hips way too low as if they're doing a squat. Make sure you have your hips right between your knees and your shoulders. Why should you deadlift? Actually, a better question would be, why aren't you deadlifting, mother? There are so many benefits to this beautiful exercise. This is honestly my favorite one because this is a compound lift. It works pretty much your entire body. So you're gonna be working the abs, baby. You're gonna get that six-pack, maybe. I'm not gonna make any promises, but you are gonna be working the core. You're gonna be working the glutes, which everybody wants to work their glutes. You're gonna be working the hamstrings, the quads, the back, everything. So it's a very excellent exercise. You get a whole lot out of it in a whole little time. Instead of doing a bunch of isolation movements for all these different muscle groups, you can work them all in one lift. So that's a beautiful thing. It also helps improve your posture because we Americans, or maybe us humans in general, all around the world, tend to sit like this all day long on our phones and on our computers, and we never check to see if our posture is okay. A lot of people in real life also, when they're just lifting boxes or lifting something heavy up off the ground, they don't know how to use their legs to lift up. They're using their back, and that's how they get hurt. So deadlift helps you not only in the gym but also lifting things in real life. IRL, baby. So if you're, you know, doing some laundry, or maybe you're yeah, I have nothing else. That was the only example I could come up with. But yeah, that's another reason. They're really gonna help strengthen your lower back, and a lot of people have lower back problems from what I've seen. It improves your grip strength, it improves your cardiorespiratory fitness, and it's fun. You ever deadlifted 450 pounds? Me either. But I bet it's fun, and that's all I have to say. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos on metaphysical and spiritual health, or to see more of Mama Swole, then make sure you subscribe. Thank you all for joining me on Physical Health / Fitness Fridays. I'll see you all next time. If you like this tutorial and you would like some more such as this, then comment below what other exercises you'd like me to do. I hope this video helped you. Comment below if you have any other questions, and share this with friends that you know their form is shit. No, I'm just kidding, sort of. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you all on Spiritual Health Sunday. We got a good video coming up for you. It's my morning routine, my spiritual morning routine. Stay tuned. Deuces.
Woo!
Woohoo! 100 reps.
Nice. Yo, how'd you do 100 reps?
100?
100 reps.
That was 100, huh?
That was 100, yeah.
I didn't miscount at all.
Oh, how'd you do that?
It was pretty easy.
It was pretty easy, right? Okay. Wow. Wow.
Firmly grasp it.